He's close.
Are you their ally as well?
A warrior of your caliber should have no need for evil power.
Huh. You again.
It's time to hand over that evil shard you possess.
If you want it that badly, come and take it by force.
You just don't give up, do you? Soul Edge, your scars run deep, even in death.